Do you think time travel is real? If you had the chance to visit the past, where would you go? Maybe witness a legendary moment in history, or see how people lived centuries ago. Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Right now, traveling back in time isn't possible. If you want to explore history, you're mostly limited to books, photos, and documentaries. But let's be honest, it's hard to truly feel what it was like just by looking at pictures or reading descriptions, right? But here's the exciting part. Instead of just reading about the construction of the pyramids or the bustling streets of ancient Rome, what if you could see them with your own eyes, in full detail? Pretty amazing, right? Right now, we can't actually travel back in time. If you want to experience history, you're mostly stuck with books, photos, and documentaries. But let's be real, it's hard to truly feel what it was like just by looking at pictures, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create POV videos of historical events, almost like your own time travel experience. Stick with me because we're about to dive in, and trust me, you'll want to set aside 10 minutes to watch the whole thing. Why? Because at the end, I'll be sharing some pro tips, not just on making these videos, but also on growing your YouTube channel. By the time we're done, you'll walk away with everything you need to start creating. Let's get started. Before I start the tutorial, I have an important announcement. If you're serious about building a faceless channel like the creators earning $20,000 a month, I've created a blueprint guide to make the process easier and give you a clear, step-by-step approach to succeeding in this niche. The POV historical niche is massively untapped, with very few creators on YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reels. If you want to get ahead of the competition and be among the first to profit, this guide is for you. Inside, you'll find a complete roadmap to creating the POV historical niche, a secret strategy for success, the best prompts to use, download files, sound effects, materials assets, and tips on setting up your account with strong branding. The full blueprint guide is available for just $20. If you want access, check the description or pinned comment. Step 1. Crafting the perfect prompts. Good prompts can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's find some inspiration. Head over to TikTok and search for POV videos to see what's trending and spark some fresh ideas. Once you have a solid concept, it's time to bring in ChatGPT. Just type in your idea and let it take on the role you want. For example, let's say my idea is POV. You wake up as a Chernobyl worker in 1986. Give me 10 different scenes from a day in the life. Hit enter and boom. ChatGPT will generate a full breakdown for you. Now, let's take it a step further. Type this in. Give me detailed prompts for AI to generate images for each scene. Then, give me prompts to animate them in Kling. Each prompt should be at least 4 to 5 detailed sentences. Make sure it's from a first-person view and photorealistic. And just like that, the magic starts happening. Oh, and here's something extra. I'll be sharing all the prompts and case studies I used for this video on my WhatsApp channel. If you want access, check the link in the description and join. And remember, if you ever need more ideas, just ask ChatGPT. It's like having an unlimited creativity machine at your fingertips. Step 2. Generating your images. Now that we have our prompts, it's time to bring them to life with AI-generated images. Here's how. Copy your prompt, the one you just crafted using ChatGPT. Go to PCK Lumen AI and click Launch App. Paste your prompt into the input box. Select the PanArt AI model for the best cinematic visuals. Set the image ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Hit Generate and let the AI do its thing. Step 3. Creating the animation. For animation, I'll be using Hallyu AI to save time. It's a great option because it allows 3 cues at once, making the process much faster. Pro tip: if you're generating animations with Hallyu, the best time to do it is around 7 a.m., no matter where you're located. The cue times are usually shorter, so you'll get your animations faster. Animating with Hallyu AI. Copy your animation prompt from ChatGPT. Go to Hallyu AI and upload your image. Enter your animation prompt in the text box. Enable camera control. This new feature adds smooth motion to your animations. Adjust your camera settings until you're satisfied. Click Generate and wait for the animation to process. Pro tip: While Hallyu allows up to 3 camera controls at once, I recommend starting with just 1 or 2 if you're a beginner. Too many settings can make the animation feel unnatural. Once your animation is ready, download the video to your computer and move on to the next step. Step 4. I highly recommend upscaling your video clips to improve the viewing experience. First, go to CapCut's website, not the app, since the website is free. On the left menu, click Magic Tools, then select Video Upscaler. Upload your video clips one by one and let CapCut enhance their quality. Once it's done, download your upscaled videos. This will make your videos super clear and high quality. Pretty awesome, right? Step 5. Adding music and finding sound effects. To match the scenes, head over to Pixabay and download the perfect sound effects to bring your video to life. Make sure to choose sound effects that fit the setting. For example, if the POV is in Egypt, search for Egyptian-themed sound effects, like cultural music and ambient desert sounds, to make the experience feel more immersive. Step 6. Editing. For editing, I stick with CapCut. Open CapCut, import your video clips and sound effects, and start by dragging your video clips into the timeline. Cut, resize, then adjust the speed and delete any shots that don't look good. Add sound effects to each clip to enhance the experience. I love using a fade-out effect for smooth transitions. At the end, throw in some background music, but keep the volume low, around 15%, so it doesn't overpower the narration. Here's a neat trick. Add subtitles at the end to help viewers feel more connected to the story and understand what's happening. Once everything looks good, export your video. Now let's check out the final result. How's it going, guys? Pretty cool, right? But making a great video is just half the battle. If your videos don't blow up right away, don't stress. Growth takes time. Instead of focusing on just 1 or 2 videos, look at how your channel performs over a month. Keep posting, learning, and improving. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.